Today is October 22nd, 2019. Yesterday was October 21st, 2019. Last week, October 15th, 2019. Last month, the 15th of September, or September 15th. Let's talk a little more about dates. Interested in our pronunciation videos or want to know more when the latest videos come out? Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin reviewing how to pronounce each month of the year. January, January, February, February, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. So those are the months. What about the days? The first, the first, the second, the second, the third, the third, the fourth, the fourth, the fifth, the fifth, the sixth, the sixth, the seventh, the seventh, the eighth, the eighth, the ninth, the ninth, the 10th, the 10th, the 11th, the 11th, the 12th, the 12th, the 13th, the 13th, the 14th, the 14th, the 15th, the 15th, the 16th, the 16th, the 17th, the 17th, the 18th, the 18th, the 19th, the 19th, the 20th, the 20th, the 21st, the 21st, the 22nd, the 22nd, the 23rd, the 23rd, the 24th, the 24th, the 25th, the 25th, the 26th, the 26th, the 27th, the 27th, the 28th, the 28th, the 29th, the 29th, the 30th, the 30th, the 31st, the 31st. Now we need the years. Let's start with the 1900s. 1900, 1900, 1901, 1901, 1902, 1902, 1903, 1903, 1904, 1904. It'll continue this way, 05, 06, 07, 08, 09, until the 10s, 1910, then 1911, 1912, and so forth. Now let's look at the 2000s. 2000, 2000, 2001, 2001, 2002, 2002, 2003, 2003, 2004, 2004. That'll continue until 2010 or 2010. 2010, 2010, 2011, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2013, 2013. It'll continue in this way where you can say 20 followed by the 2-digit year. So for instance, 2011, 2015, 2040, 2060, 2090, and then eventually it'll get to 21. It's like 2100. Let's go over some practice dates now. I will show you a year and a day. I'll give you a time to think of the answer, and then I will say it. October 22nd, 2019. October 22nd, 2019. February 3rd, 1911. February 3rd, 1911. January 4th, 1999. January 4th, 1999. July 17th, 2002. July 17th, 2002. December 25th, 2013. December 25th, 2013. That concludes our time today looking at dates. For more information on these and other sounds, check out our website at fluentamerican.com, or also subscribe to our channel and check out our playlists and other sounds so that way you can continue improving your American English pronunciation. My name is Geoff. Thank you so much for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.